Hey guys, thanks for joining me in another cleaning motivation video. Here you will see what I clean on a weekly basis. At the end of the video, I will be showing you my simple Valentine's Day decorations. I also wanted to take this time to say that I received a few private Instagram messages from some of you, and I wanted to say thanks so much for saying hello. And even when you guys take a few seconds to comment and like my videos, it really means so much to me to know that you're enjoying these videos. I'm so grateful for all of you. If you're new here, my name is Aang and I make cleaning, cooking, decorating, and lifestyle videos to help you get motivated to knock out everyday tasks. I hope that you'll enjoy this video. Now let's get cleaning. I start out my weekly cleaning routine by changing out the bed sheets. This also includes the mattress pad. The comforter I will wash every other week. Now I'm going to show you the situation that is on the floor right now. That is stuffing all from the dog's toys. Now I'm going to wash those bed sheets that I just took off. The sheets and pillowcases go in a separate load, and then the mattress pad goes in another load. I am back in the bedroom right now and just gonna wipe everything down. It gets so dusty in here. I'm cleaning the fridge right before I go to the grocery store. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down. Once a month, I will go in and do a more deeper clean. I like to organize the shelves on the door by the frequency that it gets used. Things that I use the most will be at an easier reach, whereas things I barely use will be stored on the bottom shelf. The next place to tackle are the bathrooms. This is the master bath. You'll see me clean the second bathroom right after this one. To clean the toilet, I'm just using a Lysol and water solution in the spray bottle. The Clorox wand is also amazing. Right here, I'm just folding up some kitchen towels and rags. Guys, I do want to apologize for the poor lighting. My apartment is pretty dark, and when it is a dark, gloomy day outside like some of these days, the lighting is even worse. am upstairs in my office/craft room, where all the magic happens, where I edit all these awesome YouTube videos. We are just nearing the end of the cleaning part of this video. The next part is the Valentine's decor. Let's start off at the front door. This is a wreath that I keep up year round and just change out the elements based on the season or holiday. For the holidays, I had pine cones and I just swapped them out for these roses that came from the Dollar Tree. Please check out my Christmas and fall decor videos to see how I use this same wreath all year round. I was read out from Christmas, so I was going for a more neutral pink theme for Valentine's Day. For the banner, I cut it out on my silhouette and hung it on some twine. I absolutely love these houses. They are from Hobby Lobby. The eucalyptus garland is from Hobby Lobby as well, and the flowers are from AC Moore. Let's head on over to the kitchen to the coffee area. I decided to spice up the Keurig by making these leopard print vinyl decals. They are pink and gold. The gold comes off as brown, but off camera, if you get close enough, you can see that it's gold. I think this pattern is a little too busy for me, so they probably won't be on for very much longer. The Be Mine banner I made from my silhouette. The white picture is from Old Time Pottery. The house is one of the 4 that I have from the Dollar Tree, and I just filled up a candy jar with some conversation hearts. This wall hanging was a DIY. It is from the Dollar Tree, and I just painted the back side and added some die cut hearts. Moving along to the stove area, this love foiled sign is from Hobby Lobby, the little house is from Dollar Tree, and that white picture frame is from the Dollar Tree. I just added a heart die cut in a pink cardstock background. In the dining area, this is a tassel garland that I made. I had it hung in my craft room and I thought it would be so appropriate for my Valentine's Day theme down here. Last but not least, I made this arrangement last year. It has been sitting in my bedroom since before the holidays and it's making its appearance back out here again. The flowers are from AC Moore and the vase is from Hobby Lobby. The houses are from Dollar Tree. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I hope that this video gave you some motivation and inspiration. If you enjoyed it, please help me out by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!